One bird basically runs a free clinic on the back of a 6-ton elephant, and the elephant has no say in it. The oxpecker eats ticks, dead skin, and wound tissue straight off the elephant's body. That's the deal. But here's the twist: oxpeckers actually keep wounds open longer to get a blood meal. The elephant's healing slower because of its own cleaner. Still, the elephant gets an alarm system. Oxpeckers hiss loudly the second a predator shows up, even before the elephant smells danger. So who got the better deal? The bird gets a free meal and a moving home. The elephant gets complicated. Sounds familiar, right?